Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anurag, and you are watching Think Wild. So, Think Wild is a channel where we explore the intersection of art and technology. My subscriber would be knowing that. So, as we are transitioning to a new year, that is 2025, I am planning to move, or maybe you can say planning to create a new playlist where we will be talking about uh, financial education and as my domain is mostly revolves around coding and programming, so I would be taking this video series towards technical analysis. So for the guys who are interested in stock marketing and creating, trading bots and algorithm trading programs, they can follow this playlist and they will be able to learn a lot of things. So today, what we are going to do is we are basically trying to create a simple alert system where let's say your Bitcoin, you are watching a Bitcoin and you want to create an alert at any supposedly resistance, what you think is a resistance, and as soon as it crosses, as your BTC crosses that certain level, you should get the notification on your desktop. So that is our goal for today's video. So I will be going with this. This is very small code in Python, written in Python. This is very small, like only 35 lines. And I've already written it, tested it, and so I will be explaining you to uh, the basic structure, how it works, and what is the fundamental thing behind creating the basic thing behind creating an algo bot. Okay. So see, what I do here is like we will be taking BTC LTP, last transaction fried from this Binance.com API, which is a kind of freemium kind of thing. And it's a WebSocket API which provides you the real-time data from Binance.com for BTC. Let's say for BTC, you can subscribe multiple instruments there. But for this example, I am going with BTC, Bitcoin. Okay. So let's start from the coding explanation. These are normal imports you might be knowing. These two variables I will come back to these two variables in later video. And we have defined a function on message, and the mostly the stuff is going on in here only. Okay. So what we are going on message is that we have created a condition. Let's say our we want you have identified that 92,350 is resistance for BTC for today, or maybe a long-term, short-term resistance you have found out, and you want to buy it whenever this value is crossed by BTC. Okay, so we are checking the condition. If the current price is greater than alert price and the notification count is zero, I will come back to this notification count. What is the meaning of what is the functional usage of this notification count? I will come back to it. Then we create a notify send notifications to the Linux system and sound. Okay, that's all we are going in doing in on message function. Similarly, on error we print the error, on close we close, we say the WebSockets are closed. On open is actually the connection where we actually send the request to subscribe WebSocket with the Binance API. And main function is actually we are actually where we are calling this open function to execute to get the connection to the Binance API. So we have to pass few parameters in WebSocket connection. Is one is on message event when and one on error event and on close event. So whenever something is pushed on this WebSocket, on message or on error or on close, these three events are pushed. So what we are doing on message, we are listening on this function, which will be taking the LTP, last transaction price of the Bitcoin, and uh, the doing the calculations. Let if our the BTC is crossing our alert price. Okay, then we execute the function. So this is very simple, basic 35 line of code which you can run on your system, and it will give you the notification whenever the BTC cross this BTC is greater than your alert price. So this notification count is nothing but we don't let you know that BTC jumps up and down a lot of time, and so if there is a way to control the notification, that we are not getting continuously notification whenever this condition is fulfilled, this condition line number 12 is fulfilled, we have to keep a count that it does not overwhelm our notification system. Okay, so that's why we have gave the notification count as 0, and whenever the first time the notification is given, we will make it +1, and next time it will not come. So I will leave you this can be an assignment to you guys, that you can find multiple ways to control this indefinite notification in multiple ways. I can give you one way. I have given this one way actually, that we have to create a notification count. We initialize it, with 0, and we create the global notification count because we want this on message to use this variable. You cannot use this variable directly as in Python, because this function is giving into this function is being called asynchronously. So we have to use a global variable here. And another way I am thinking that you can instead of this notification count is making 1, instead of you can wait for you can create a thread and wait for 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour, and within 1 hour you will not get the notification again if this price is crossed. One way is this. You can reset the notification counter every 1 hour, so that you do not get the notification constantly. Another is that you can also create a crossover functionality, which is we will be discussing in later videos. It comes in technical analysis, that crossover means the previous tick was less than your desired value, and the current tick is higher than your desired value. So that's a crossover. So whenever the crossover happens, we get the notifications. So there are few ways you can control the this notification count and notification type. So you can comment down below if you have another ways also. So this is a basic alert system when a BTC crosses a certain value. So I will put this code in my GitHub and make it public so that you can also access. So let's try once it how the functions look like. Okay. So before running this code, I will explain you how what are the basic installations you might be needing to run this script. So you might be needing MPG 123. In basically in Linux machine it comes by default. So may be coming, but for me it was not there. So I have to install this MPG 123 to play a sound. Okay. And another utility is notify send. This notify send is nothing but native command line utility provided by most of the Linux machines. If not, then you can use the apt to install the notify send command line utility. So that's all for the installation. I think that's all for the installation side, and we can test it now. So let's say Python BTC alert. So here you can see that BTC USD alert price crossed 92353. Current price is this. So I am listening my sound. I can hear the sound of notification here, and this is our alert price. So current price is more than our alert price by $2,000. Yeah, 92,000. Here it is. Current price is 94,000. So obviously our condition is satisfied, and we get the notification here. We are not getting notification again and again because of this notification count. I think that's make this variable's usage clear. So if you want to check it once again, how the notification looks like, what are the title and other things. So I will run it again, and you will see on the notification on the right hand side. So notification BTC USD alert, price crossed this and this. So I think that's it from the coding perspective. I will be coming more. I will be coming more on this topic again and again in 2000 in year 2025, and we will be creating algorithmic trading bots in Python, or maybe whatever the language is supposedly can be used for algo trades. I personally use Python for my bots. I mostly trade in natural gas futures, and sometimes crude oil. So what does it do? That it's a complex program, so it considers at least I think seven parameters to create a condition that I can buy it or sell it on intraday basis. So it gives me a notification on mobile phone, iPad, and desktop, and if I want, it can place orders on my behalf as well. But it depends on your broker if they allow commodity market on APIs. So else otherwise you can get the notification and you can punch the orders in and out yourself. So that's what I do in my natural gas trading day by day, every day. And will coming more inter will be I will be coming with the more interesting programs, more interesting scripts, and maybe I will come up with technical analysis also. We can create a small strategy of moving average crossover so that we can write the program and see how it works. Might be I'm thinking to also create a backtesting script so that you can analyze your strategies to get the statistics how it is performing in a different seasons of the market. So I think that's all from my side today, and I will be logging off here and wishing you happy new year. All the best in 2025. Keep learning, keep enjoying, keep coding. Thank you.